Healing Hands Clinic is delighted to introduce its newly unveiled indoor patient area and operation theatre complex. Located on the 5th floor, the patient rooms have been designed with comfort and tranquility in mind. Coupled with our world-class medical care and patient-centric services, the new space promises to make hospitalization a pleasant experience. Each room is thoughtfully designed and offers modern amenities in an elegant ambience. With this expansion, we aim to serve more patients with increased efficiency and competence. The ultra-modern operation theatre is of the highest standards and abides by the guidelines set by NABH. There are 5 modular operating rooms, the largest suited for robotic surgery. We're equipped with cutting-edge technology for precision and efficiency in surgeries. The state-of-the-art OT complex comprises of a pre-operative unit where patients are monitored before taking them for surgery, a post-operative recovery unit, where, as the name suggests, patients are kept under observation for a stipulated time following their procedure. A fully equipped surgical intensive care unit gives us an edge in undertaking extremely difficult cases. A 24/7 intensive care team ensures effective management of high-risk surgical cases. This new space offers our team and our patients a harmonious environment where we can stand by our commitment to excellence in patient care.